Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating this look right here using the new Selena and MAC collection. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the video. This is the eyeshadow palette. It has 8 shades and it's called Me Siento Muy Excited. So it has a flower, MAC Selena. So pretty, it's like holographic. This is what it looks like. And you do have the bustier that she would always wear, those little bras, the bralettes with beads on them. I think they did this part like this because I had heard somewhere that she didn't have enough beads, and this is why it looks like this. That was from one of her performances, I guess. And then this is the inside of it. I'm not getting rid of this. This is so pretty. See her bralette right here? How it doesn't have all the beads? That's why they did this. She just didn't have enough to, because she would make her own. And these are all the colors right here, 8 of them. You do have a mirror. You do get 5 matte shades, and then the other 3 are shimmer. So these 2 are shimmer, and this is like semi shine, and then these are matte. Today I'm just using the matte shades for this look. I do want to focus more on the lip. I'm going to do a red lip for today, something different. The first shade that I'm taking is this one right here, the light brown shade. I love MAC eyeshadows. They're really, really nice. So I'm just going to put that on the crease. I did do my face off camera. I will leave all the products down below that I used. So far this eyeshadow is blending out really, really nice. There's no harsh lines or anything, so it blends out really, really good, and it's very pigmented. This looks like the shade Soft Brown from MAC, just a little bit darker. And then I'm gonna use this shade right here on the crease as well, just a little bit under. For this one, I'm going to keep it at the outer corner here, so like a V shape. This one looks more like the shade Saddle from MAC, and there's no fallout whatsoever. And then I'm gonna blend it with the fluffier brush. Selena didn't really have a lot of eyeshadow. It was more natural. She did have eyeliner from the pictures that I've seen, but I just wanted to do a little twist to it. So this is mostly inspired by Selena, the look today. And I'm gonna take this flat side right here for the light shade. This one here, it's gonna go on my lid. So to the middle, and then on the top. And I'm just gonna add the darker shade just a little bit on the edge. So I didn't want to do a cut crease, not too harsh. Now I'm gonna take the darkest shade with an angled brush, and I'm going to do an eyeliner. So just with eyeshadow. It's gonna be very, very natural. Just start in the middle area. I'm gonna add a little bit more in the beginning, so I can hide my eyelashes that I am gonna apply later on. Selena did do wings, so I'm gonna do a little small wing. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. That darkish brown shade was so good for the eyeliner. It's very, very pigmented. I didn't have to go in twice, which is good. I am really, really impressed with these eyeshadows. I wish they were you know, permanent, but they're probably limited edition. For the eyelashes, I'm using these Oh Honey lashes in the style Dashing Honey. First, I'm gonna do this side off camera and I'll be right back. I put this lash off camera and this is what it looks like. I'm going to put this one on with you guys. I'm going to use this light brown shade on the bottom part. I'm gonna show you guys the highlight real quick. So this is La Leyenda. It's like a dark, well, deep golden highlight, and it has the same little detail here. It's so cute. And you do get the little sleeve as well. This is the highlight. It has a mirror, and this is the flower inside of it. It's a very soft highlight. It's not too dramatic. Just made a deeper highlight. And you know how you get that overcast? I got two lipsticks. I got the Queen of Cumbia. This one is a bullet lipstick. Look how pretty. It's silver on the top and then MAC Selena on the bottom. This one's called Queen of Cumbia and it's a red. I was gonna put that one on in the beginning, but then I found this one. It was all out of stock, but I was able to get this one. This one's the liquid lipstick and Siempre Selena. Ooh, so pretty. I did get the lip liner as well. It's called Selenaville. Just gonna do that right now. And now I'm gonna take the bullet lipstick and Siempre Selena. I love liquid lipsticks from MAC. They're really pigmented, and with the point you can definitely line your lips. So my overall thoughts on this collection is that it's amazing. I wish I would have been able to get all the products. There were only a few nude shades that I didn't get, but overall this is amazing. I'm definitely going to keep all the packaging. I'm not throwing it away. And if I were to recommend a few items from the collection, if you could still get your hands on them, it would be the eyeshadow palette. I would definitely recommend it. It's so pigmented. I can't wait to work with the red shade here and the pinky one. That's gonna be a nice look. I will probably do that just for Instagram. Let me know if you want to see that, if you did pick it up. Let me know in the comments if you picked up this collection for yourselves. And I would definitely recommend the liquid lipstick. It's so good. They do have some shades that are similar that maybe you can get if they do run out of these. I do recommend the highlight, but if you are a little bit darker than me, medium skin tone to tan, you would definitely get a use out of this. It is on the natural side, so it's not like a bam highlight, so don't expect it to be too much. It's more on the natural side, so definitely check those two items out. That's what I would recommend out of all of this that I used today. Let me know what your favorite songs are from Selena. My three favorite are definitely No Me Queda Más, and I love I Could Fall in Love, and then Si Una Vez. Those are my top three favorites. So let me know down below which ones are your favorite songs. I would sing them or play them for you guys, but you know, copyright. And like the more upbeat songs, I like El Chico del Apartamento 512. That's my favorite one. It's so fun recreating, you know, a soft look with a red lip. I usually don't use red lips. I feel weird right now, but you know, for the sake of the video, and I do love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.